How to fix YouTube caption not showing. So first of all, we're going to open our YouTube and then I'm simply going to open a random video. For example, here you can see this is the video. Now I'm going to play it. And right now here you can see my captions are not showing in this video. So in order to get the caption, what you can do is simply tap and pause the video for now. And then you can see a CC icon right here. All you need to do is tap on it. And when you play the video, here you can see the captions are right here. So if you are not getting that CC option right here, what you can do is tap on this gear-like icon right here. Then we'll get to the settings of it. And then from here, you will definitely get the caption option right here. Tap on it. And then from here, you can simply choose the caption language of your choice. Here, if you enable this option, the caption will show even when your videos are in mute. So if you want that option, you can turn that on. And just like that, you'll be able to fix your YouTube caption not showing. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.